Okay, we will solve this one. Find at least 3 ordered pairs that satisfy the equation 3x minus 2y equals 6. So if x is 0, if x is 2, and if x is 4. Okay, unahin muna natin yung x is 0. Kopyahin natin yung equation na 3x minus 2y equals 6. And then, isubstitute natin yung x is 0. So, 3 times yung x na yan, palitan natin ng 0. Then, minus 2y equals 6. 3 times 0 is 0 minus 2y equals 6. Then, kopyahin natin si negative 2y equals 6. Then, i-divide natin both sides by negative 2. Kung ano yung coefficient ng y. Okay, so cancel natin yung negative 2. So, the value of y is equal to negative 3. Positive 6 divided by negative 2 is negative 3. So, if x is 0, y is negative 3. Ito yung unang ordered pair. The second one is if x is 2. Okay? 3x minus 2y equals 6. Then, palitan natin yung x na yan ng 2. Okay? Then, minus 2y equals 6. Then, 3 times 2, that is 6. Then, minus 2y equals 6. Then, i-transpose natin yung positive 6 to the right. So, kopyahin natin itong negative 2y equals 6. Then, ito, transpose natin. So, magiging negative 6 na yan. And then, negative 2y equals 0. Kasi 6 minus 6 is 0. Then, divide natin yan both sides by negative 2, negative 2. So, cancel. So, y is, ito na lang, is equal to 0. So, therefore, if x is positive 2, y is 0. Ito yung second ordered pair. Then, the last one, if x is 4, dito tayo sa taas konti ha, 3x minus 2y equals 6. Then, isubstitute natin yung x na yan, na value na 4. Okay? Then, negative 2y equals 6. Then, 3 times 4 is 12. Then, minus 2y equals 6. Then, i-transpose natin itong positive 12 to the right side. So, negative 2y, kopyahin natin yan. Kopyahin din natin yung 6. Dito, transpose natin, magiging negative 12. Then, negative 2y equals negative 6. Kasi positive 6 minus 12, that is negative 6. Then, i-divide natin both sides by negative 2. Kung ano yung coefficient ng y, yun din ang i-divide natin both sides. Cancel natin yan. So, naiwan dito is y equals positive 3. Kasi kapag mag-divide tayo ng like sign, the result is positive. Negative 6 divided by negative 2 is equal to 3. So, therefore, if x is positive 4, y is positive 3. So, ito na yung ordered pair na ating hinanap. First is, if x is 0, y is negative 3. The second one is, if x is 2, y is 0. Then, the last one is, if x is 4, y is positive 3. This is your final answer.